Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you all how to make very easy caramel. Here's what you're going to need. Sweetened condensed milk. Any kind of sweetened condensed milk. Any name brand. This is a 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. The second thing that you'll need is a deep pot of water. And what you want to do, you want to start your water out boiling. Once the water begins to boil, you're going to take this paper off, just like this, nothing hard. Take this paper off, and then we're going to submerge the sweetened condensed milk into this pot of boiling water. Once we get the cans into the boiling water, we're going to turn our water down to a nice simmer. And you want to make sure that you keep the water above the can, all right? To prevent this from exploding, okay? And so every once in a while, just keep an eye on it, check in on it, and when the water starts to evaporate, pour you some more hot water in that pan, okay? So now here's what we're going to do. We have the paper off of the sweetened condensed milk. We're going to just put our cans down in the water, just like this. And you know what? I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to get a bigger pan, okay? I'm going to get a bigger pan that's a little bit higher so I can put more water in there, all right? Now this is going to simmer for 3 hours, all right? 3 hours, simmer. Once that water gets low, put more water in it. At 3 hours, I'll be back to show you what this looks like. Meanwhile, when I put this video on pause, I'm going to get a bigger pot, okay? Be right back. Well, I'll be back in 3 hours. Okay everyone, I just wanted to show you that I've changed my pot. So now this pot is tall enough and I have plenty of room to where the water is a nice, is nice and covering the cans. Alright, so we have this on a nice simmer, 3 hours. I'll be back. Okay everyone, it has been 3 hours. I've got to clean my house. I've got to get my clothes ready for the week. I got to get a lot of things done while this condensed milk was simmering. Okay, what we're going to do, I'm going to go ahead and turn the stove off. I'm going to take the cans out and I'm going to set the cans on the counter. I will open the cans. I'll let the cans cool down for about 15 minutes before I open them, okay? So let's see. I need to figure out my best way to get these cans out of here. Well, I got a spoon and we'll just do it that way. A slotted spoon, see that? No problem. We'll just set this right on the counter. Be careful, don't drop it. And you might see in your water, you might see some some paper from the sides of the can, but that's okay. We're not gonna use this water for anything. We're just using the caramel that has formed inside of this can. All right, use a slotted spoon. Set them right on the counter. In about 15 minutes, I'll come back. We'll open up these cans. I'll show you what it looks like and I'll let you know what it tastes like. Be right back. Okay everyone, I'm ready to go ahead and open up these cans of caramel. Some people like to call it dulce de leche. I hope I said that right. All right, it's cooled down, but it's just a little tiny warm. I think we're safe to go ahead and try to open it. Okay, let's see what we got, guys. Let's just see what we got. Hold on, let me get, let's see, I think I need a knife. Oh, wow. Okay. Go ahead. I'm going to pour it in here. Oh, I see where we're getting that caramel color. Oh, look at this. I can't wait to taste it, guys. Okay, we'll get the other one opened up. This is so simple, guys. So easy. You just pop this in the water. Make sure that your water stays above the can. And hey, you got homemade caramel. Look at this, everyone. Oh. You can see where it started to get darker. Well, you can see, hold on, let me get the rest of this out. Let me get all that goodness out of there, guys. I have to taste this, guys. Hold on one second. Oh my goodness. That is so tasty. Here's what we're gonna do. Here's what we are gonna do. I have some ice cream. Let's give this a good stir. Good stir around. I'm gonna open up this ice cream and I'll be right back. Okay, everyone, here we go. And I tell you what's odd. Since I got the can open, when I first poured it in this bowl, it was a little bit lighter. Look at this. You see how much darker it's gotten? Isn't that something? Isn't that beautiful? This here is Caramel 101. Look at this, guys. Look at this beautifulness. Beautifulness. Okay, let's see. Oh. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Who doesn't like caramel on their ice cream? Hot caramel. Oh man, look at this, guys. Oh, I gotta go in. I got to dig in, guys. This is so beautiful. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna let you know what I think. Look at this, guys. This right here, oh my goodness. I don't even have to say anything, guys. Just the look of this. Just the look of this does it. Oh my goodness. Oh. You know what I'm thinking? I'm thinking about making a caramel cake. A 2-layered cake. Spread some of this caramel in the middle. And then spread some on top. Watch this, guys. One more time. One more time. Oh. Ooh-wee. Look down in that bowl, guys. This right here is so weird because this tastes nothing like sweetened condensed milk. This tastes like caramel. Beautiful. Oh, this is so tasty. Oh my goodness. You can put this on top of apples. You can pretty much do what you want with this. And get you a mason jar, guys. Get you a mason jar. And what you're going to do is just put your caramel in that mason jar, and you can keep it in the refrigerator for up to a month. And now one other thing, if you don't open the can after you cook it, you can go ahead and keep it in your pantry for up to a month. All right, now when you put this in the refrigerator, what will happen is this will turn almost like a jelly. But all you need to do to get it back to this consistency is take it out of the refrigerator and heat it back up on about maybe 50 seconds. And then you'll get this consistency back. Guys, look at this. And see how the color's getting darker? It's getting darker and darker as the air's getting to it. This right here, guys, is Caramel 101. Try it. You will love this. This doesn't have any other, like, it's just good. This is just flat out good. I cannot figure out the words that I want to say, guys, because this is so tasty. Give it a try. If you guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. And as always, thank you for watching. God bless and have a great night.